Hi, good evening. LNG Restaurant. This is Nelmar James Kingdom speaking. How may I assist you?
Good evening. I'd like to make a reservation for dinner this Monday.
Certainly. May I know how many people?
It will be for one person only,
Got it. What time would you like to come in?
around 7:30 p.m. if that's available.
Let me check. Yes, we have a table available at 7:30 p.m. for four guests. May I have your name, please?
It's Lima Junji or son.
Thank you, Mr. Rosal. May I have your contact number just in case we need to confirm anything?
Sure, it's 0931-234-5678.
All right. Would you prefer indoor or outdoor seating?
And there would be nice.
Alright, we'll reserve indoor table for you. Just quick reminder, we hold reservation for 15 minutes, so please try to arrive on time.
Sure, no problem.
Also, do you have any special requests we should know about?
Nothing, thank you.
You're welcome. May I repeat your details in reservation? Reservation for one person this Monday at 7:30 p.m. Indoor sitting under the name of Emil John Jersal. Is that correct?
That's right.
Perfect. We look forward to seeing you have a lovely evening.
Thank you. Bye.
Goodbye.